We belong together, bliss that lasts forever. See our future better. We laugh, we dance, we cry alone at night. Our dreams are closer than we think. You are the light beneath the storm. My heart, my mind, and all that's in between. We laugh, we dance, we cry alone at night. Our dreams are closer than we think. You are the light beneath the storm. My heart, my mind, and all that's in between.
Then you gotta rub it in, and then you gotta brush it out. Look at that pretty girl.
Bring me back to the good old days, running around in the streets on summer nights. When I'm with you, I'm feeling right. Life is complete when you're by my side. We laugh, we dance, we cry alone.
Drop it. Good boy.
So closer than we think. You are the light.
Good boy. Good boy.
My heart, my mind, and all that's in between.
You got it!
Are you trying to be sneaky?
We laugh, we dance, we cry alone at night. Our dreams are closer than we think. You are the light beneath the storm. My heart, my mind, and all that's in between. We laugh, we dance, we cry alone at night. Our dreams are closer than we think.
Toby!
You are the light beneath the storm. My heart, my mind, and all that's in between.
Oh, they got it. Oh, hold it. She's gonna get it. Got it.
Reggie, don't eat him.
Bring me back to the good old days, running around in the streets on summer nights. When I'm with
I saw this car going around in a circle, and it was doing it for about an hour. And when the cops got the door open, the black dog jumped out. I was like, they should give that thing a license.
How lickable is Hosier? I can't do it.
He's been dubbed the unicorn puppy. They named him Narwhal.
She spent her life helping rescue survivors. Now, Frida, the Mexican Navy's rescue dog, is retiring.
He was abandoned as a puppy due to his OCD, but quickly found a new life as a koala detection dog. This is a Disney movie. I like Bear.
you are the light beneath the storm. My heart, my mind, and all that's in between.
He found his dog Gabbana at the back of the house. It was the adrenaline and love that saved her, and the community stepping up to donate necessities.
We've been getting a lot of help from the people around here, from people everywhere, people that we don't know. My words can't express how my family and me feel.
So earlier this year, we noticed that our food supply was dwindling down. And so we thought, you know what, let's go out there and ask Twitterverse to help us. We tweeted that our cupboards were getting bare and the dogs were getting a little concerned. All of a sudden, Amazon trucks were like lining up outside of this place. It was amazing. We brought enough food out of that tweet for 8 months of feeding this entire shelter. That saves us an incredible amount of money, every bit of which we can put towards medical care for the dogs.
This is Francis.
This is Penny.
This is Jake.
2019 has been a really difficult year for Francis.
Everything seemed fine. Nothing was wrong. However,
She was critically ill.
Earlier in the summer, he suffered heart failure and nearly died.
he needed immediate emergency surgery.
But the cost of the operation
It was over $7,000.
The deposit that we had come up with through our care credit was just the tip of the iceberg.
My grandson, John, established a GoFundMe account.
You know, what are the chances We Rate Dogs be able to help? And you guys responded that you would be willing to set up the GoFundMe.
Within an hour and 20 minutes, he had donations of more than enough to cover Jake's expenses.
The speed, I think, at which this campaign was funded was just miraculous.
We've been so grateful for the support of everyone around the world. Safe to say, Francis won the hearts not only of the We Rate Dogs fans, but also all the vets and surgical staff and nurses. It's been,
it's emotional, isn't it?
Yeah. It meant so much to us.
There is 0% chance that she would have been with us without the contributions of followers.
I can't begin to tell you what it meant to me for Jake's life because of your generosity.
What is this? What?
So thank you so much.
He's taken his sedatives this morning that keep his heart nice and calm.
His prognosis is really good for next year, so we couldn't be happier.
She's doing really well, as you can see.
We took the excess money and donated that to the hospital. We wanted to make sure as many people could benefit as possible from the generosity of the community.
It's really important to us that we also pay that forward by offering other people second chances with their own fur babies, just like we've had with Penny. Just so eternally grateful.
Say thank you.
Jake says thank you.
Bye, Penny. Say bye. Yeah.